Hello kids, today we'll learn counting number 1 to 20 with your favorite kids channel. Let's get started. This is our color. This is pink color. This is brown color. This is sky blue color. This is red color. This is green color. This is purple color. This is orange color. This is black color. This is sea green color. This is blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Let's again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.